This is a $90 cheap Chinese chainsaw off of eBay. All things done to it is I have deleted the base gasket, imported the intake horn because it had casting flash in it, and that's pretty much it. Luckily, oh Lord, see, this is why you pay attention when you're tightening your bar wool. I didn't lose much because I had it part of the way in. Let me fix that. There we go. Like I was saying, for the money, I mean, you really can't beat this thing. And this is the chain that this thing comes with, just in case anyone wants to know. Starts easy because I've already been running it. Well, usually. See somebody beat that for $90.